Intoxalock Ignition Interlock devices are extremely easy to use once you get the hang of them. When you're ready to start your vehicle, make sure to blow into the device before putting your keys into the ignition. Blow into the mouthpiece on the device with medium intensity. Continue to blow into the device until you hear a tone signifying that you can stop. An hourglass icon will appear as the device is analyzing the results of the test. If the screen on your device reads pass, you will then receive a prompt to start your vehicle. You can insert your keys into the ignition and start your vehicle. If your startup sample reads failed, we recommend rinsing your mouth out with water and waiting 10 to 15 minutes before trying again. Once your trip has ended, you're ready to leave your vehicle. Turn the vehicle off and check the screen for your countdown. You can exit your vehicle when a 2 to 3 minute countdown appears on the handheld screen. During this countdown, you can restart your vehicle without providing an additional sample. If you leave your vehicle prior to the countdown appearing, you are at risk for missing a random retest.